I'm not even using a layout for this video. Today is June 29th and KOSA is back. If you don't know what KOSA is where people under 16 get stripped off from the internet. I know this is to keep kids away from weirdos, but you can't just take away internet from everyone. Kids might use it to cope, talk to online friends, or even study. And the thing is, internet to 15-year-olds will be like YouTube Kids and Roblox. And for every website, every app, you have to use your ID every single time. This world is a fucking shithole right now. Please spread awareness. Bagel out.